Welcome back to the channel. If you want to see how to take your tires off your Goldwing GL 1800, this is an F6B, a 2013 model. We got Medicine Man here, we got Big Daddy over there, and watch this video. We're not professionals. We do, you know, maybe he doesn't do a little bit of redneck.
Actually, he is a professional. He gets
he's a professional.
Well, the important thing is nobody died, nobody got hurt.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't know it was coming.
Oh yeah. These are great guns. This thing pulls more than my half-inch drive Snap-on does. To give some credit to the Snap-on, it is like well over 10 years old.
That's a tool. That's a great tool. The hard part. Oh, we gotta go higher, don't we?
Yeah. There you go. Bring it on in. Right there for a moment. Okay.
We probably did this backwards. We should have done this before taking the rear tire.
No. I'm hoping to get it in there. We might have to go get the other pad because it might not slide far enough over with the... Okay. Let's go up and see what we got.
Okay, ready?
This is redneck as you can fucking get.
Yeah, I think that... Okay, there you go. Come on up a little bit more. Okay. Go up real slow. Okay, we're gonna have you hold the bike steady there.
Okay, brother. I'll hold the bike. You do the jack.
Okay. My move's crazy. Okay, we got a couple inches in the front.
Yeah, go up slow.
Can you feel it? Does it feel stable, brother?
No,
Well,
it's moving.
Well,
go ahead.
The longer you take going up, the longer it's going to take to get it back
I know,
down.
but I don't want it. I don't want a 1,000-pound bike going squirrely on us.
Oh,
I'm
I know,
going slow. There we go.
Okay, I'm going to let go because I've been supporting it.
Okay.
And keep it off the back. Okay, so you ready, Jeff?
Yep. You lowering it down?
Yeah.
Lower it down on him, yeah. Holy shit, I'm going a long way.
I know. It tricks you.
I don't ever remember it. It's off.
It's off?
Yeah. Oh, it's supported. No.
Does that feel
falls
good?
off and crushes my pedal.
That actually is very stable.
It is.
I think it's just how the manual tells you how to do it.
This is hillbilly engineering.
As you can tell,
right here.
yeah, as you can tell, we are professionals.
It never fell off and we never got hurt, so.
That's true.
Okay,
So we're just sitting right underneath this guy.
There's one tire.
Crash bar.
Well, let's show you the tire
That damn
that
thing.
Brad, when Brian sold the bike to him,
Oh,
told him it had 1 year.
Holy.
Yeah, only
1 year.
1 year on the tire.
1 year.
4,000 miles. This is in the video too. It wasn't like that though.
Only
Well, yeah,
4,000
because-
miles on it.
It was like that part, not that part.
It was like that part.
If anybody knows, can you tell us why we see this weird wear pattern like that?
Means the guy that had it before screwed you. I mean,
Hey, I had to buy a tire too, mister.
oh,
I had to pay $430 for my fucking tire.
which tire?
The one on the Indian.
What did you do to that?
I didn't.
He ran over shit with it.
No, he sold it
No,
to
he
me that
ran
way.
over shit
Oh, yeah.
all the way
Not
from
Ed.
Colorado Springs. Made
Ed.
it to
25.
through Idaho, through Montana,
Through
through
2,700
Yeah.
miles. And
through South Dakota,
That sucks.
through Wyoming, and down into Colorado. And now you're saying that that's what I said.
I'm going with that. I'm going with that.
I will bet you.
No,
Okay. Just want to show you
I
guys.
mean, literally, that
Here's
is.
here's the nuts that hold there. Just 5 of them. They hold the tire on.
I don't know.
I don't know. Hold on. Well,
Right.
And then literally the tire slides right onto there, and you bolt your 5, nuts onto that. You tighten those down, and then that's it. It's got a single arm that comes out. Incredibly good design. But
Pretty good idea.
yeah.
Not a few times.
That stuff right there is the shit.
Google search is your friend.
You gotta try that. Okay, now we're gonna do the front tire. So you gotta take off the, what is it, front fender?
This is a known problem. There is no single solution.
We're gonna pull that off.
It can
That's
be
what I
swing
said.
arm bearings loose, steering head bearings loose, badly worn front and rear tires. That definitely wasn't part of it.
Brother, you should have got a tire. It made me nervous that you rode it to that level.
Sagging suspension, etc. Just to make things interesting.
Ed, I don't think that has to come off.
Frequently-
How you gonna get this off here? Is it one? Is it half part? Oh,
Yeah,
half
it's
part.
2 parts.
Oh, okay. I was thinking it was. Well, that's good. It's good. I got somebody here to keep me straight.
Well, I'm drinking Cock and Bull right now. It's giving me that extra brain power, like sleeping at that. What was that hotel you're supposed to sleep at?
You're not Dr. Stewart.
But I did stay at the Holiday Inn Express last night.
The ones you pay money for?
No, the ones that make you smarter. You know, the guys in the commercials. Well, I slept at the.
Oh, I don't have TV, so I don't know.
Oh, do you remember, brother?
Front wheel bearings and all balls tapered bearings.
You can put it back over there.
On your elevated storage platform?
That's exactly it.
Otherwise known as your...
Brother, they would have told me that they were shot when they did the forks.
Sure, they would have.
Oh, I wonder if they'll put a bearing in for me too while it's there. Shouldn't I just ask them just to do that, Ed, just to eliminate it?
What bearing?
The wheel
Okay.
bearing on the front?
So the front
well,
fender
yeah,
is a half.
I would. We can get them to do them here, but if you want to have them guys do it, that's good.
Well, that's what I'm thinking while it's there, if they'll do that. Just have them do it and get it done.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Well, yeah, I mean, I wouldn't do all this work without getting wheel bearings done.
And what about brakes?
I don't know.
It doesn't need brakes. I just put them on.
I need to,
Just put these tires on and look what
I
happened.
need to slide around.
Oh, there's only 4,000 miles on those brakes. Oh, that was nasty.
Well, the front one looks good for another whole year. I don't know what the hell you're worried about.
Yeah, that's a brand new tire.
Steering, fixed mine, 55,000 miles ago, never has returned.
Oh, all balls and a cock and bull all at the same time.
An 823 suspension. I too did the all balls installed and never had a problem since. That 8 years ago.
Are the women paying attention? You need all balls. All balls to take care of all your problems.
Oh, he gets the small sandwich bag.
Yes. Now,
It slides right off.
nope, it's hitting.
Is it?
Tire.
Dang it.
It's
It
hitting.
can be front
The tire.
or rear or both. I had a
Might have to put
wobble.
it back
My
on.
dealer said, don't let go of the handlebars. Look, those dealers are smart.
There we go. It slides off. It doesn't hit.
Dealer says don't let go of the handlebars. Even if the problem exists, you're not going to have any problems.
Right?
Yeah, there is something to it.
That bag
When you
fits
see, I know that's what I was trying to say. It's like, why you bringing me all these? Might be harder to get the zip tie around it to hold it. So you might be asking yourself, why does he need a zip tie to put this on? So we don't scratch the paint on this back piece right here.
the plastic.
So maybe we should have had 2 bigger bags.
You want another bigger bag?
No, I think we can do it. Let's try. let's have the people see something.
That's a good
So
idea.
you don't have to have a big bag to, you know, be able to take care of your bike. And there we go.
Look at
And
that.
it's going to keep from scratching this up. Because we're going to need the bigger bag.
That's a gorgeous ratchet.
And we got to take this one off too.
Front wheel bearings.
Oh man, that's such a handy thing. I've used that
What
so
about these
much.
two? If you take those two, does this come off with it?
Yeah, but I don't
Yeah.
think we need to take the link off with it.
I think you're right.
As long as it doesn't fall down, we're probably going to take zip ties and zip tie it up.
I don't want to.
Dust
Okay.
seals too, Ed?
So, what? I probably should have busted that loose before I took the other one off. Okay. Well, I guess we could have just did that. Didn't have to take it off. I didn't think it would move that far. I'll put it back in. Mechanics got a rule. What?
That's what I was saying that we should leave it.
Well, yeah, but I didn't think it would rotate that far.
Gotcha.
So mechanics usually have a rule that says it's either out or it's all the way in and torqued. I'm going to leave it in, and hopefully I remember we got to put that back on.
We could put tape on it.
Oh, I'm not going to forget.
He's got a good memory.
Well, also, usually you're working with other mechanics. We got 3 shifts. So you can't assume that
We got
somebody else
3
is going
idiots
to
here.
check.
One real mechanic
We got one real mechanic.
and 2 idiots. You're doomed, man. You're fucking doomed.
But no, when you're working with shop, and even though you probably are supposed to be the only person working on it, there's never a guarantee. Okay, there we go. So we did all that to be able to do this. Now what we got to do is take the bolts out of here, and we're going to be able to pull this center pin out, and this whole tire is going to come down. Loosen these up a little bit.
Which
I don't
ones?
know. We'll find out.
Yes, we do have to loosen those.
We'll find out. Nope, don't have to loosen those.
Well, that came out
Put that over
easy.
there?
No, the little bolts on the end.
Oh yeah, well, yeah.
Yeah. But I wanted to find out if I had to do it before I loosened them up. Some of them, it's a shoulder that goes in there. It's threaded inside, so the outside of it is as big as this instead of just the shaft.
Oh, okay, okay.
And then you got to loosen it up. So now this one.
You have to take those out.
No, they're clamps.
Shouldn't have to. If it was higher up, there's some of them, some different type of shaft ones, that the shaft will have part of it cut out so the bolt actually slides through the
I think
shaft.
don't we take the shaft out going this way?
Yeah. I just got to get a Phillips screwdriver, and that's what you put that in there and just spin it and pull it back.
You need a Phillips?
Yeah, or I need a
An Allen or something?
yeah, something. That one might work. It's perfect.
Oh god damn it. That was horrible.
I'm gonna hold the tire up.
Yeah, you probably could. Let me see. There we go.
Voila.
Now, is there spacer?
Yeah, there's a spacer
Right
on this
here.
one. Go ahead and pull them off. The things they ride in is actually a dust
Hey.
shield.
Are these the same? We need
No,
to
they're
know
not.
right to left.
They're not.
We got to remember the.
Well, so you want to go ahead and
Sure,
hold the tire out of the way.
show them the thing.
Okay, I will. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this back in. So.
That
see
was
where
on
they-
that side.
That one was on, no, the other
This
side.
one? No.
Your side.
No, brother. This one here.
So, yeah.
This here. This
So
one
now,
here.
so normally what I don't have is anybody screwing with me when I do this. So I have.
We have 2 idiots here.
Yeah. So because they wanted to play a game,
No, you switched them between your hands.
yeah, I know. I switched them so I'd have them right, but the game of playing. So the question is, how do we find out? Let it play. I want to show them.
I am.
Okay. Big flash, big light back there. Right there. You gotta grab it and yank it off hard.
Pulled my shoulder out. Like, cut it off.
Oh, look, man, he just broke it. Man, I swear. No, he didn't break. It's been broke like that.
This is our production light.
So when you get working on something that you don't really know where pieces go, what's going to happen is we know these were inside the wheels and what they call the dust shields. So what you can see here is you see the bigger imprint on that one compared to this one. Okay. So what you do is you take the piece and you see which imprint fits the best. You see that imprint?
I'm going with that.
Now you take a look at this one, and you can see the imprint is much bigger around. So that tells me this one went here, and this one went here. Because I have worked on stuff that has been torn apart for years before I ever got to it.
All balls racing.
Non.
Honda F6B front wheel bearing.
All right, so here's what this Bridgestone Xdura
All balls racing. Honda
looks
F6B.
like. This is brand
front wheel
spanking new. And then here's the one that's wore out, which this still's got miles on it. But different pattern in the tire. This has got more.
Really similar. Look, even up here, it's similar. This one has 2 full lines.
Yeah.
Before you have an intermediate one. This one does 2, but you have a full, intermediate full, and then a spaced one.
Yeah.
That's supposed to help water get out, push water out of the tire.
These are awesome. These are the Dunlap Elite, I think 3s, I think. Elite 3s or 4, I don't remember.
Are they making the 3s and 4s?
Oh, right here, Elite 4. It's an Elite
Wow.
4. This is, I think, a better tire than. Tell us in the description which tire is better out of those two.
What was the new tire?
Bridgestone Xdura G709.
Sounds like
Bridgestone
some kind of pregnancy pill.
G709 F6B tire.
Yeah.
Okay, so I need to get over
I
here
ran-
and pick up the rest of the junk.
The Dunlap Elite 4s I ran for what, 4 or 5 years, and then this is the tire that Big Daddy wants to try.
5-star
Look at this.
rating.
It's already got a flat spot. Look at that right there.
5-star rating.
That's perfect because he doesn't get much further off this little spot.
Bridgestone tire.
Okay, guys, that's it. That's it. We're done. We got the tires off. We're gonna take them to a place and get them balanced, and then we'll put them back on. See you guys on the next ride.
Well, stay tuned for the next video of the story of shrink oil.
Shrink oil. Okay. We go.
Oh, fuck, they're closed. You notice his hands are clean.